Hello, my name is Wesley Owens, and I am excited to present to you two brand new streaming apps from World Video Bible School. These new WVBS mobile apps will provide you with the most convenient way to access WVBS content from your device anywhere. These new apps can be a life-changing tool in the hands of their users. They provide free access to a constantly growing library of almost 3,000 video programs. That means that with these new apps, you have unlimited access with no monthly subscription cost. This does not include your phone's data plan. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, how can I get this new app on my phone? And I want to let you know it's easy, and I am going to walk you through each step in detail. One note that I would like to mention before we begin is that you will need to have an Apple device that operates on iOS 15 or newer, or an Android device that operates on Android 5 or newer. Now, if you have an iPhone, let's begin by going to the Apple App Store and tapping on the search option. From there, you will use the search phrase World Video Bible School. You may have to scroll down to find it, but you will see the WVBS app that has a dark blue background with a white W globe. Once you see the app, tap the Get button. And if you have an Android phone, we'd begin at the Google Play Store, also tapping on the search option. From there, you will use the search phrase WVBS. You may have to scroll down to find it, but you will see the WVBS app that has a dark blue background with a white W globe. Now, once you see the app on the screen, tap the Install button. Now, after you have the app downloaded on your phone, you can leave the App Store and open it from your home screen by tapping the app icon. Once you have opened the app, you will notice that there are three options to choose from: create free account, log in, and explore content. When you choose to create your free account, you will be asked to provide your name, email address, and to create a password to use to log into your account. If you have downloaded and set up the account on either the WVBS TV apps, you can use the same login information. After creating your free account, you will have complete and free access to stream the WVBS library. As an exclusive account holder, you can download any video of your choice through Wi-Fi or cellular service directly to your smartphone and enjoy watching content offline. In addition to downloading videos, you also have the option to save videos to a list. This list will be a quick access hub for all videos you save. Now, the login button is for those who have already created a WVBS app account. And if you need to go to the instructions again to download the app, go to the timestamp or go to the hyperlinks in the video description. The Explore Content button will bypass the account setup process and take you directly to the app's homepage. This is the quickest way to start watching content, but it doesn't give you the benefits of having an account would give you, like creating lists of videos or downloading videos for offline viewing. Now that you have created your free account, let's explore some of the ways that you can use the application. With hundreds of video programs containing thousands of videos to choose from, it might feel like a lot of programs to navigate. Where should you begin? The first thing you're going to notice is a rotating banner displaying a variety of new videos and programs. If one of these videos interests you, just tap on the picture and the video player will come up. Note, you will be able to tell the difference between an independent video and a program containing multiple videos by the information above the orange Watch Now button. And if the video doesn't start immediately, tap the screen and then tap the play button in the center of the video. Below the banner, you will see a variety of programs available in horizontal lines. These programs are separated into different categories such as new content, popular, as well as other topical categories. Now let's shift our attention down to the bottom of the screen towards the menu bar. There are four options to choose from, which is Explore, Search, Library, and Profile. Explore is the home screen of the app. This is where all programs and videos are shown in their different categories. The next option is Search. This will be where you can search for specific videos or programs by name. For example, if you want to look up Where Do We Go When We Die, just simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the program's name. Once you tap Search, the video will show up as an option as well as other videos that meet the same search criteria. Tap on the image of the video to start watching. Now, the library menu option will only apply to those who have created a free account on the WVBS app. Again, if you need to hear the instructions to set up your free account, please go back to the timestamp or go to the hyperlinks in the video description. This is where the videos you save to My List will go, as well as any video you downloaded for offline viewing. Profile is where you will be able to view your app settings. Now, while there are several different settings to choose from, let's focus on the app settings. Once you tap on app settings, you will see an option to enable notifications. We highly encourage you to turn on notifications so that you never miss out on any of the new videos we upload. Now that you can navigate the app, let's look at some of the other features it offers. On any video next to the title, there are 3 white dots vertically standing. If you click on these dots, it brings up a menu. And this menu consists of Add to My List, which is only available if you have an account and allows you to add any video you like to your library menu option. Next is Download, also only available if you have an account, which will allow you to download any one of our videos free with an internet connection. These will also show up under the library menu option. Lastly is Share. This will allow you to share any video through multiple different forms of contact. We will dive into the Share button in a minute. While watching any of our videos, you can tap on any portion of the screen where the video is playing, and you will see up in the top right-hand corner 3 dots. If you tap on these dots, you will get a menu bar offering such as background audio, which will allow you to listen to any video while your device's screen is turned off. This is a great feature that allows users to listen to video in their vehicle. Autoplay next video, which will allow another video to play immediately after the current one ends. And playback speed, which allows you to change how fast or slow the video plays. Additionally, you have different icons at the bottom right of the video player. From left to right, they are the subtitle button, which will provide subtitles. This option will only appear for videos that have subtitles available. AirPlay, which will only be for Apple devices and allows the iPhone to interact with other Apple devices, such as casting to an Apple TV or playing the audio from the video over an Apple Home. The casting button, which allows you to connect your phone to a smart TV and cast the video from your mobile device directly to your TV screen. Picture-in-picture mode, again, only for iPhone, which allows the user to watch the current video and use other apps at the same time. And the full screen icon, which changes the video from a partial view to a full screen view. Now, WVBS app can be more than just a streaming app. It can be a great evangelism tool. Let's take a minute to explore some of the possible ways that you can use this tool. Let's start by looking at the saved videos list under the library menu option. This is a quick access point for you to go straight to the videos that you have decided to save to access quickly. This provides users with a great way to quickly access evangelism material. Imagine you've saved the videos, Where Do We Go When We Die? What Must I Do to Be Saved? Why Are There So Many Churches? And Video Bible Study. At some point, you might be talking with someone about one of these programs. You can open the WVBS app and show them the program you want them to see. Not only can you show them the video, you can actually share the video link with them. That way they have a direct link to the program and it can introduce them to other videos about the gospel. Next, let's consider how powerful it can be to share this app with someone. If you have an iPhone, you can hold down your finger on the app icon until a menu pops up. In that menu option, you can tap Share App. This will open up an additional menu that allows you to text, email, or share the app on social media. There are several communication methods that you can use to share this tool. One of the most important ones is word of mouth. Consider bringing the app up to an elder or a deacon of the church that you attend. Show the person next to you in the pew the app before or after service. You are a vital resource that can help spread this news. Now, thank you for taking time to learn about this wonderful app and all the benefits that come along with them. Please utilize and share these wonderful free resources to benefit you.